Now Mr. Shiva is trying our boat to take another spot. So now he is giving his full 100%, and you can see here Mr. Prasanna is taking pictures from his 64 megapixel, and after every moment he is shifting from 64 to 84 megapixel. So now here you can take how he is taking a boat to the next level. You can see your background also. Now our boating man is taking the race, and Shiva is taking his place, and he is taking our boat to the next level. So here Mr. Prasanna enjoying the ride. So now you can see here a background also. You can see here Chacha or Prasanna. Oh, that land is there. That. Now you can see here Chacha or Prasanna. He is talking with Mr. That I don't know his name. Oh, nice, nice Mr. Shivakumar. Change the direction, man. Please follow the instruction given by the Mr. Boating man. Good work. And I have already asked to Mr. Boating man if is there any vacancy for Mr. Shivakumar, then he'll give him the job for it.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋಕೆ ಅದು ಸಾವಿರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1000 ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
Oh yaar, that's nice view actually. Hey Shivakumar, from here you take no one picture. Oi Chacha. Shivakumar, now hand over your job.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಗ ಓಡದೆ.
Hey ಬೇಗ
ಸಾಕಣ ಸಾಕು